thunderstorm warning for northern Christian County, Kentucky, east central Caldwell County, Kentucky, south central Hopkins County in northwestern Kentucky until 2 p.m. At 1:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cobb, 7 miles southeast of Princeton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Madison Mill, Dawson Springs, North Mill, Morton's Gap, Crofton, St. Charles, and Hawkins. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Caldwell, Christian, and Hopkins.
Doubleheader. Super weather statement.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 1:30 p.m. for southeastern Caldwell County. At 1:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cobb, 8 miles southeast of Princeton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Princeton and Cobb. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 1:30 p.m. for the following county: Caldwell, Kentucky. Taking a look at your